From Berlin to Las Vegas, today, one AIChef Ultras makes its US debut showcasing the revolutionary breakthrough of Chinese AI kitchen appliance to the global tech community. At this moment, we gather here with thousands of global tech leaders, industrial partners, and media friends. For one AIChef, CES is not just its US premiere, but a crucial step to bring the complete smart kitchen ecosystem to the world and connect families globally.
One AIChef Ultra is more than just a product. It's a revolution in home kitchens. It serves as the intelligent brain of the home kitchen. It understands your needs, matches the perfect recipe once ingredients are placed inside, starts cooking automatically when the door closes, controls temperature independently to free up your hands. It even proactively learns your taste and texture preferences, allowing every family to easily enjoy personalized, healthy, global cuisines.
From IFA to CES, one AIChef's global journey has turned a new page. Our goal is to bring convenient, delicious, and healthy, intelligent cooking experiences to every family in the US and around the world.
I think it's really cool. I'm really excited to try it, and I think the fact that you can make so many different recipes is really amazing. Okay. Oh, that's really good. Yeah.
I'm from Sweden, so I work with investments in tech companies. Yeah. I think it's fantastic. I think it's a very practical use of AI, and I love the way that you have presented this. It's been really interesting and good.
Yes, yeah.
I think the feature with the AI analyzing the foods and doing the full recommendation for someone like me that cannot cook. This is amazing.
My name is Brandon. I'm from Los Angeles and I work in consulting. I think it's amazing. I mean, the fact that it's fully customizable and it has so many you can specifically set it to do certain things. It recognizes things. I think it makes cooking a lot easier.